What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to use a new brand, Alikay Naturals, to show you guys how my Bantu Knots came out with her. I did use her yogurt as well as her lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Right now I am splitting my hair in fours. As you know, it is easier to deal with your hair when it's split into sections. So I am pulling out my spray bottle, moisturizing my hair, wetting it down just to give it an easier feel for I can detangle and split it even more for I could start my Bantu knot. As I was doing my hair, you see my sister Tiffany come in the background dancing it up. She's also doing her hair with Alikay Naturals. She's definitely doing a different style. She's just kind of like finger coiling her hair while I'm doing Bantu knots. So now I have my wide tooth comb starting from the bottom, which is my ends, and then working my way all the way up to the top to avoid, unnecessary damage to my hair. And now I'm splitting it in two, and I'm getting started with the yogurt, moisturizing it up in there. And then honestly, it smells really good. It honestly smells like yogurt, and it's such a good feel. It's like butter. You're rubbing butter on your hair. And it definitely made it easier for me to do my Bantu knot, so I was definitely excited to see the results. as you can see, I do twists first, like the 2-strand twist, and then just wrap it around for my Bantu knots, and now I'm gonna do it to my whole head. Boom! Just like that, I'm finished. So now I'm pulling up my scalp mint. You already know. I put it through my scalp. I love this growth oil. It is amazing. Best thing I've bought as far as oils go. So I'm just putting it in my parts. Very easy to see my head, and then you just rub it all up in there. Yay! It is the next day. I'm so excited to see these results. I know you guys are too, so let's start unraveling. You have to be very careful. You don't want to pull your hair while you unravel. So just be careful, unravel it, and then slowly, take your time. Just look at that curl though. Look, that shrinkage is real also. So I unraveled them all, and now I'm just gonna split them even more. I'm basically going to just separate it just to give it a more fuller look. I don't really use combs to fluff. I rather just keep separating until it looks full to my liking. And that is it, you guys. I am loving these results. My hair is still so soft. My curls are definitely defined, and it's a beautiful thing. I love that product. I hope you guys loved it too, and thanks for watching. Bye.